Let's start working with the console. Here's one way to conceptualize what the console is. You can think of it as having a conversation with an invisible robot. To say it differently, it's like me asking this robot some questions and it always responds. Or telling this robot what to do and he goes and does it. This invisible robot is known as JavaScript. Or, to be more specific, it's known as the JavaScript engine. But for now, let's just call it JavaScript or JS. So, how do you talk to this invisible robot named JavaScript? Continuing from the previous video, I have the Chrome browser open in the incognito mode. I have the browser pointing to the example.com website as is shown in the address bar. I'll zoom into the page a bit. Now I'll press the F12 key to open the developer tools or DevTools for short. With the DevTools in focus, I'll also zoom in right here. To start to quote-unquote talk to this invisible robot, I need to click on the console tab. You've learned this in the previous video. I have this red warning here, so to clear it out, I'll just press the shortcut key of Ctrl-L. This clears the console. It's a very useful shortcut. So, let's go back to starting to talk to the robot here. I need to position my mouse right here in the top left corner of this whitespace in the console tab. Once I do, notice that my mouse pointer turns into a cursor. Whenever you see a cursor like this, it indicates that you can type something there. So let me type a sentence. Something like, "Hello, robot." You see that some suggestions are popping up here. It's safe to ignore them, so let me just press the escape key to make them go away. So, I've typed the words, "Hello, robot." And now, to send this quote-unquote message to the robot, I need to press the Enter key. And the robot responds with, "Uncaught reference error. Hello robot is not defined." What the robot here is saying is that it doesn't understand me. So now I'll issue a command that I know for a fact the robot understands. So I'll press the Ctrl-L keyboard shortcut again to clear the console. And now I'll type 2 + 2. And now I'll press the Enter key. This time the robot replies with the number 4. Okay, so that's it for this video. In conclusion, let's wrap up what we've learned. 1. There's an invisible robot in the browser. 2. That robot is referred to as JS, JavaScript, or, more formally, the JavaScript engine. 3. You can talk to this robot via the console in the developer tools. 4. If the robot doesn't understand what you're saying, it will say, "Uncaught reference error," etc. 5. If the robot does understand your command, it will give you a more meaningful response. We've reached the end of this video. In the next one, I'll show you a few more ways that you can meaningfully talk to this invisible robot using the console.